Alright, what's good, YouTube? Let's get straight to today's trade recap. A bit of an unfortunate day, but it is what it is. Let's get straight to it. First of all, what price did was, as you can see, Monday, we accumulated a lot, right? So obviously what I was expecting was, going to today, I was expecting a form or some sort of dump. That is what I was expecting. Now, during Asia session, we got that dump, but realistically, we stopped in the middle of some sort of accumulation, which, you know what I mean? Normally, when we have LR right here, you would want to see the whole LR get swept. But unfortunately, that never happened. Now, what happened was price swept a low and then from there pushed away. Now, during this push away, what we also did was this right here. Okay. We built a lot of accumulation, right? Now, since we've built so much accumulation, we can expect that price wants to deliver at least lower and then possibly continue higher or not. To me, unfortunately, this day was actually a very odd one. Yeah, boys, it's just a very odd one. Regardless, anyways, what price did was it accumulated right here, and then right around open, I was expecting bearish prices. So to me, I wanted to see lower prices just because we have accumulation under us, and then also I didn't like how we just stopped in the middle of LR, so I wanted us to come even lower and sweep all of this. That's me personally, and that's why I was bearish biased, right? I just wanted to see this get swept. That was my draw on liquidity. Now, regardless of all of that, price did not end up doing that, and what it ended up doing was it accumulated a little bit right here, pushed lower, and then it expanded to the upside. Now, the trade that I took was another one, yeah? It was this sweep right there. Yeah, it was a very retarded trade. Just because we just formed equal highs basically with Asia highs, right? And Asia was clear the draw, but unfortunately I was bearish, so I have no idea why I was bearish. Or sorry, no idea why we were bullish, but we will get straight to dice figuring that out after this. Anyways, so the setup that I took was simply this. Oops, apologies. We chopped right here, sweep this high, chop, 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 then come down right here, push up higher, rebalance, and then basically once this started pushing down, shorted right there. Stop loss was out there. And then I was going for a 1-to-1. As you can see, unfortunately, we moved a little bit towards my direction and then boom, straight stop loss. So a very unfortunate day. I'm down $1,000. It is what it is. But yeah, that is basically what happened with price today. And not much that I can do or say about it, except that it is what it is. That's price action. That is indeed price action, and you cannot really do anything about it. Unfortunately. Just wrong bias. Anyways, so that was the trade that I got spanked on. Now, afterwards, price just continued to push higher and then range, right? Now, my question was specifically, why the fuck were we bullish? That was indeed my question. So let me just remove this. Okay, so basically what price did this day was we opened up, pushed higher into this nice little fair value gap, right? And then bled lower, all the way lower, right? So that was a simple indication that we are bullish just off of that bled lower. Lower, so we're bullish. I mean, sorry, but lower. I wanted to see all of this get swept out, and I think that may have been my mistake, or I think it was I was predicting price and I wasn't really reacting to price, and I think that was the biggest mistake. And basically, going moving on. This would have been a telltale that we are bullish, just the way price pushed higher. But unfortunately, it's just a very, very odd day. Very odd day. I just got stopped out. Wrong bias. That's basically it for today's trade recap. Nothing too crazy. Took my L and moved on my day, and the loss was because I just had the wrong narrative. Execution wise, I don't think there was anything wrong with it. Just simply the wrong narrative, and that's it. And that's unfortunate. Can't do much about that one, can you? Regardless, we move on. Bosh.